Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel CAD Show. Guys, in this video I will show you how to make a recube like this in SketchUp and very easy method. So watch the video till end and end you will be able to make cube like this. So let's start the video, but before starting the video, if you don't like and subscribe our channel till now, so please like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin the video. So I click here and take this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle 12 comma 12. So I draw 12 comma 12 and now with the push pull tool I extrude it 12. So you can click here or direct press the P keyboard, and from here I extruded 12, and now you can see I triple click and make it a group and create. You can see I make this. Now I take some copies of this. So from the move tools, I with control key I click here and move it with the green axis 12, and I multiply it with 3. You can see I make some copies of this. Now with the selection tool, click here and select it and make also some copies from this side, the red axis 12, and with multiply I 3. So you can see I make these cube like this. So select all these and with the move tool press the control key to make some copies of this to the other side. Also 12 with multiply I press the 3 key. So you can see I make this type of cube. You can see here is our cube like this. Now I select all these and make it a group. So I make it a group, and now I take this rectangle tool and from here to here you can see I draw a rectangle. Now I select it and make it a component and click here. Now from here I make some copies to 12 with multiply 3, and the other side I also. So now I hide this and select all these, and the other side I also 12 with multiply 3. So I make this type of paste and make it a group. Now unhide the last one. So go to here and unhide the last. So I unhide the last, and now I click this, and from here I take this flip tool, and the other side I flip it to the other side. So I flip it. You can see now I flip here, and now I move to rotate to the top one. So the green axis I click here, and from here I rotate here, and now I click here and flip it with the red axis. And now I click here and flip it to the bottom side. So click here. You can see now I click here, and from here I flip it. So you can see now I move to the bottom side also. Now the other two side I flip it. So click here, and from here I take the rotate tool, and the red axis I rotate it from this side to the with control key. So I click here, and now I flip it, and now to the other side I move it with the flip tools and make click here to the other side also. Click here and flip it. Now I flip it to this one to the other side. So click here and flip here to the other side with control key. So all the sides I make these copies. You can see now this one we make it to flip it with the red axis. So you can see, and now click here and go inner side to the components and make a offset here with one, and the outer side delete it. Now I zoom it, and from here I take this arc tool, and here we edges like this, and now I push pull it with 0.035, and now I leave it and exit from this group. Now I click here and with selection group, so click here, here, and the other two side also click here and hide it. So you can see I hide it, and now I enter with this group because this is a component. So click here and make a, you can see I make a this type of bevel it with this bevel tool. So if you want these plugins, so visit my website and www.meparjobs.com, and you can see here is a lot of plugins you may download it. So you can see this is our website, and from here you can render project also, and from here you can download the free plugin. And so now I go here and color it. So go here, and from here I take the black color, the recube, for the recube. So I click here, and now right click and soft and smooth edges, and you can see now I exit from here, and now he click here and unhide the last one. So you can see I unhide the last one also, and now I click here and go to the material library and use some material for this. Now click here the orange color here. Now I choose the yellow, and the other two side I apply the blue and the green. So I use this green, and I also use the blue color here, and bottom side it's the white, so I leave it as is. So you can see, now go to here and remove the edges, and also I remove the profile. So you can see I make this type of cube in SketchUp very easily. So you can make it, design it, and you can use this method to make this. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, so please like, comments, and subscribe our channel and follow our pages also. So take care and see you next video. Bye bye.